Pinto Valley Chapel.
Yung falls na nakita mo. Yung falls.
There's the falls.
Yan, yung camino. Hindi mo nakita.
Nice.
Speech recognition software. You can create documents, email, blog, update Facebook, and surf the web simply by speaking to your computer. Be more productive and creative. Keep up with your brain with Dragon from Nuance at getdragon.com.
There are so many people who listen to this radio station whose lives changed in 2011 because of MetaFast. Well, maybe 2012 will be your year. It sure feels good. Think about this now. I told them I wanted to lose 50 pounds, and I ended up losing 58. And 58 pounds is about the giant bag I buy for my dog Leroy Brown's dog food. And I know what it is to carry that thing out of the store, and it breaks my back. I was carrying that around every day of my life. If you are walking around with Leroy Brown's dog food bag on your back, 2012 could be your year, and in the first 30 days you can lose up to 20 pounds with MetaFast. I'm sure glad I did.
Imagine losing up to 20 pounds in the next 30 days. There's a MetaFast weight control center within 10 minutes of where you are.
Tatay
Plus,
driving.
they just added a brand new center in Temecula. Call for your free consultation at 1-888-9 MetaFast.
Oops. Wow. Oopsie, my phone. Yun ang flower shop. Okay.
Ikaw ang magdala at ako mag-take. Tapos, ikaw ang magandang sa camera.
Hindi naman, tatay. Smile mo na. Isa. Smile.
Hindi ang pwede ang tatay na ito.
Lakad na kami.
Madali.
Ako na muna po mag-aana. Beautiful tree.
Tingnan mo yung flower shop na. Kuha na ako na nasyatan mo yung flower shop.
Opo. Ay, ang tanga, nakapost pala siya. Hindi pala.
Yung flower shop ka na. Kuha na. Kaso nga lang maraming ito. Parang nga ito. Dalat akong ako naman. Ikaw naman usulo.
Bakit hindi na maano yung masasyatan?
Huwag mo nang kuhanin video na muna.
Hindi po pwede po mag-capture habang nagvi-video. Kung may isang specific na parang part po. Hindi kanina nagka-capture.
Yung flower shop nakuha mo. Ako naman.
Apo.
O yung mga decor ng ground. Dahan-dahan lang lakad. Dandahan lang ang lakad at hindi ko ma-steady ang camera. Una ako sa'yo. Una ako sa'yo.
That pala tatay chrysanthemum. Oh, Christmas yung flower nila.
Hindi chrysanthemum yan. Chrysanthemum yan.
Ay ano kanta? Ay, hindi pala. Poinsettia pala. Mali.
Chrysanthemum yan.
Oo nga. Poinsettia. Tatay. That's Christmas.
Hindi, dilaw eh. Nami-miss natin ang inay at sa ang miss eh. Dini ka sa magandang view, bunso. Una uli ako sa'yo.
Kinuha na akong model ng tatay eh.
Hindi pa nga magandang mag-shot ang tatay.
Bago. Wala. Tie a yellow ribbon. It is something. Yes, tatay. Here we are.
Mamaya ko kukunan ng pag nalinis ha. Hindi ko muna siya kukunan pag nalinis. Ba't walang bulaklak? Yung ano gaya ko kanin? Oh, paano ko ititigil ang shot?
Click niyo pong gitna.